Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So let's do our Ganesha cards again today. Last time some of them really loved Ganesha cards, so I decided why not bring again the Ganesha cards. So that's the first card. The card says capacity to love. So maybe today Ganesha is asking us to learn how to love and bring in unconditional love to the surroundings. The next card talks about concentration, so I'm feeling that I should pull one more card to see what is the overall message. So I'm pulling one more card, and that comes as reflection. So I think it's a beautiful message: capacity to love, concentration, and reflection. So, capacity to love basically is, when it really takes courage for one to openly love, for one to open their heart towards even situations where they know they have been used, they have been, cheated, but even then, in unconditional love lives happiness. And when you give unconditional love, you receive unconditional love in return, and at one point of time you will be able to handle all your obstacles in a very beautiful way and move forward in life. So maybe Ganesha is asking you to give love to everyone, whatever, irrespective of the fact they have done. What will that do? You will get over all the hurt and all the issues that has been troubling you, and you will be able to focus, concentrate on your skills, and move forward and work towards your goal. You will commit yourself to the goal for which you're working, and that will make you to become a better person, and in turn it will make you to achieve what you wanted to achieve. Because when you honor yourself, that is what the last card says, when you honor yourself, that is when you know who the real you are, and that is when you understand the beauty around you, the beauty within you, and you become a much wiser person. So today, let go of anything that is troubling you and hurting you, and just believe in pure love and just spread pure love. Maybe today, for me, suddenly this pomegranate came in my vision, so I would suggest to offer pomegranate to Lord Ganesha. Today's color will be pink, and today's chanting, as usual, Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha 108 times in the morning. If possible, offer him some milk with the pomegranate, and that milk and pomegranate, you can have it, or you can even give it to your family members. Have a beautiful and a Ganesha blessed day. Thank you.